This is
Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
Trips Don't Lie on Go MMT Radio.
Today's show is called Trips Don't Lie. That's because trips definitely do not lie. अब जब ट्रैवल आप करते हो तब एक्सपीरियंसेस इतने यूनिक होते हैं हर किसी का, क्योंकि हर किसी का नज़रिया कितना अलग होता है, राइट? एंड विच इज़ वाई एवरी trip, every experience is so special, which is why I think over the years people have also found some solace in travel so much. And since COVID, we've seen the sea change in the way people approach travel altogether. It is a must-have in everybody's list of things to do in a year. क्योंकि इसके अलावा तो मतलब लाइफ बिल्कुल incomplete लगता है. And right on top of all your travel plans, we do have Make My Trip. Trips Don't Lie. Today, my guest is Deepak Singh from Holiday Supply Department based out of Gurgaon. Deepak, nice to have you on the show. Welcome.
Hi Annie, thank you so much for the welcome. And yes, I do agree, trips actually don't lie, right?
Holiday Supply mein ho to so many plans have been done by you, whether it is meeting with the vendors across different regions to even, trying to figure out what's happening with the customers. How are their tastes and preferences changing? How much you need to kind of tailor make for every customer, because everyone's experience and expectations are different.
So yes, being in supply, you have to, keep yourself updated from all the trends, especially in, travel industry, like what are
Correct.
people searching, what is the new thing that is being offered in the destination, like how you can, improve it, how you can bring that zeal factor, ki, okay, Make My Trip is doing this, but no other platform is doing that, right? So those kind of things, you really have to be updated. And again, yes, as you said, travel hota hi rehta hai baar-baar destinations mein, just to, keep sure ki सारी चीजें अच्छे से flow हो रही है and you have the hold on the destination basically.
Correct. This is definitely an industry that is going to stay. People have so much to explore within the country. बाहर जाने की तो बात बाद में करेंगे, लेकिन within the country ही कितना कुछ कर सकते हैं, right?
Right, I actually believe that, right? अभी recently last 3 months में मैंने जितना travel किया है, थोड़ी offbeat places, थोड़ी not so famous places I have traveled, and I've realized they actually have a lot of things to offer. It's just that कि it's not on the map or it's not on the internet, right? Because obviously people Google before traveling. So
Yeah.
what is the just because they don't have much information on Google, I guess वो destinations उतना boost नहीं हो पा रही हैं. But yes, as a supply team, we are trying our best to put them on the map. Okay, people can travel to, for example, if they don't want to travel to Manali because of floods and everything, they can travel to Jibhi, Sholja and other Barot Valley. There are a lot of places which are much more beautiful than Manali, right?
हंसा, बिल अपलोड किए या फिर दिवाली शॉपिंग में बिजी हो?
शॉपिंग तो हो ही रही है, पर अलाइव वॉलेट पर भी खर्चा कर लो। डायग्नोस्टिक्स और फार्मेसी फुल पैसा वसूल है, 5,000 तक का खर्चा अलाउड है। और सुन अनकैप्ड रीइंबर्समेंट विंडो अब 31 अगस्त तक एक्सटेंड हो गई है।
वाह, तो पहले बिल्स अपलोड, फिर दिवाली पर गिल्ट फ्री गुलाब जामुन।
एग्जैक्टली, अलाइव ऐप खोलो, बिल अपलोड करो और मिठाई से पहले हेल्थ का जुगाड़ करो।
रिज तुम में है नहीं और अपना बढ़ा लो ना, स्किबिडी सा अपना है ये गो एमएमटी रेडियो। ओहायो में हमने बनाया, 6-7 years चलेगा। लबूबू लेके बैठो, माचा पी लो, ड्रिप पहनो और सुनो गो एमएमटी रेडियो।
So what are you guys talking about?
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Trips Don't Lie on Go MMT Radio.
It's called Trips Don't Lie, and I'm in conversation on Go MMT Radio with Deepak Singh from Holiday Supply Department. अब जो है एक जीके क्विज होने वाला है, क्योंकि मैंने आपको कहीं ना कहीं कन्विंस करने की कोशिश की है कि बॉलीवुड ही लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, जीके भी काफी सिंपल और एक्साइटिंग हो सकता है. द वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is the second largest continent in the world?
सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टेंट यार बस पूछ लेते हैं. सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट वुड बी अफ्रीका, मे बी आफ्टर
That is correct. Yes, after Asia, it has to be Africa. It is Africa.
Nice.
India is located in which hemisphere?
North, maybe.
Yes. Oh my God, not bad. क्या बात है. अच्छा, how many days does a leap year have?
Leap year 365.
ये तो रेगुलर हो गया ना.
Sorry, 366 then.
That is correct. कुछ साइंस के क्वेश्चंस पूछ लेती हूँ. What is the process of conversion of water into vapor called?
Vaporization.
That is correct. If an object does not allow light to pass through it, then it is called?
There is transparent, there is translucent, there is opaque.
Yes, it is opaque. Acha, how many poles does a magnet have?
2 poles, north and south.
Yes, the lowermost layer of the atmosphere, what is it called?
Can we get some hints?
Acha, frigid zone, stratosphere, troposphere.
Troposphere. Yes.
Yes, एक आखिरी सवाल हिस्ट्री से हो जाए. Who gave the slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
That is correct. Well done, Deepak. बिना किसी वजह के आप टेंशन ले रहे थे.
Nice. I am proud of myself.
Yes, you should be.
हंसा स्वीट्स लेने गई थी, मेडिसिन भी लेनी थी. अलाइव वॉलेट चलेगा?
हाँ बिल्कुल चलेगा. बस डॉक्टर की वैलिड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन होनी चाहिए. और अब कोई भी फार्मेसी या केमिस्ट, अरे वो हलवाई की दुकान के बाजू वाले से भी ले सकते हो.
परफेक्ट. तो अब लड्डू के साथ मेड्स भी सॉर्टेड. दिवाली प्रेप लेवल प्रो.
Trips don't lie. On Go MMT Radio.
On the show Trips Don't Lie with Deepak Singh, Holiday Supply Department based out of Gurgaon. अब चलते हैं आपके रीजन की ओर. समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि होटल सप्लाई में कौन से रीजन्स आप कवर करते हैं, दीपक.
So I basically manage the North Belt, North India, right? There is Himachal, Chandigarh wala belt, and recently मुझे भूटान भी allot हुआ है.
Wow.
So Bhutan is still I am exploring. I have to travel next month most probably. But yeah, majorly अभी मेरा focus हिमाचल पे है.
तो भूटान के बारे में कुछ बताइए. It's supposed to be one of the most happiest places on earth.
Even if you will see the happiness index as well, भूटान को काफी ऊपर रेट किया गया है, right? It's a very small country. Obviously, I don't need to tell कि कहाँ पे है. ज़्यादा कुछ being very honest अभी उतना मुझे पता नहीं है because I'm still learning the destination. But what I've seen is कि people are very well spoken there, right? One thing I like about them is people is they don't work after 5 p.m. Right.
Nice.
I mean, कितना भी emergency हो, कुछ भी हो, they don't work after 5 p.m. It's just next day only.
तो बहुत खूब. So things should be taken a little slow. I think we live in this fast-paced world. ऐसा लगता है यार आज ही हो जाना चाहिए, ये इतना competition है. So we kind of get stuck in that rut. But Dharamshala and Dalhousie are also some places that you have recently explored. इसके बारे में भी बात करेंगे when we come back on the other side. But it's nice to know that Bhutan is a place that everybody should look up to for these reasons and many other reasons actually, where they value balance of work and life.
I mean, I wish it could be implemented everywhere.
Yeah, see?
रवि, दिवाली आ रही है. स्वीट्स, शॉपिंग, स्पार्कल सब रेडी है. बस एक सवाल, अलाइव वॉलेट का ब्लॉकबस्टर प्लान क्या है मेड्स के लिए?
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है अंजलि. डॉक्टर की प्रिस्क्रिप्शन हो तो कोई भी फार्मेसी चलेगी, इवन द वन नेक्स्ट टू द DI स्टॉक. और रीएम्बर्समेंट फुल ऑन धमाका टिल 31st of August.
लव इट. पहले हेल्थ का सीन सेट, फिर गिल्ट फ्री गुलाब जामुन बिंज. Adulting plus alive equals Diwali prep done right.
Go MMT Radio.
Customers aren't just external, but they are also internal. Our colleagues, peers, team, etc. We must focus on the needs of both by building a culture of customer focus from inside out. Hello, I'm Yuvraj Shrivastava and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Trips don't lie. On Go MMT Radio.
On Go MMT Radio, I'm your host Annie. I'm in conversation with Deepak Singh from Holiday Supply Department. It's called Trips Don't Lie. अब क्योंकि हिमाचल आपका रीजन रहा है और काफ़ी आपने एक्सप्लोर किया है रिसेंटली, आई थिंक धर्मशाला, डलहौजी, ये जगहों को आपने काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर किया है. कुछ बताइए, कुछ यूनिक चीज़ें बताइए इन जगहों के बारे में.
I visited Dharamshala and Dalhousie 2 weeks back only, right? and like this was the first time someone was visiting from supply side in a very long time. So एक तो बारिश का time था, right? Obviously landslides and everything was happening. So
Correct.
थोड़ा डर भी था मन में कि whether you know आराम से सब कुछ हो पाएगा कि नहीं, but thankfully सब हो गया. Something unique. There is a place called Khajiyar. I'm not sure if you have heard of it. Not
Yes.
right? It's called mini Switzerland of India, right?
जी.
I visited there and it was actually breathtaking, right? प्लस भीड़ भी नहीं थी बिकॉज ऑफ रेन. नहीं तो यूजुअली टूरिस्ट स्पॉट्स पे भीड़ रहती है तो यू डोंट गेट द फील ऑफ इट, राइट? सो इट वाज ऑल ग्रीन, इट वाज ऑल ड्रिजली, इट वाज ऑल foggy, so it was straight out of a movie kind of scene. Then the flora and fauna in that destination, it's even better than Manali and Shimla as well, trust me, right? काफी जगह जगह से waterfalls and everything is very common. Again, truly amazing. I guess people should visit these destinations more often. And then in Dharamshala we have cricket stadium, we have Dalai
Correct.
Lama, right? There are a lot of things to be explored. There are a lot of activities there which I contracted as well for people, customers to have and enjoy, right? So we will have more content, more activities in these destinations as well now.
क्या बात है, वेरी गुड. एंड द बेस्ट टाइम टू विजिट, आई मीन आई नो रेनी सीजन में जाना अच्छा रहेगा क्योंकि भीड़ कम होगी. ऑफ सीजन में जाना आजकल लोग प्रेफर भी करते हैं, बट नॉट एवरीबडी कैन पॉसिबली गो देयर ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. सो द बेस्ट टाइम क्लाइमेट वाइज, वेदर वाइज कब होगा धर्मशाला और डलहौजी विजिट करने के लिए?
It's winters, of course. Snow मतलब उतना नहीं पड़ता है. If someone wants to see snow, they'll have to थोड़ा go uphill as well, right?
Correct.
Otherwise, summers are good. January to June. It's 6 months. These are the best seasons to go. Of course, and गर्मियों में लोग पहाड़ों पे जाते ही हैं.
Nice.
The rapid fire round.
Where does the sun rise from?
Sun west.
बड़ा सिंपल सा रॉन्ग आंसर दिया आपने.
हाँ, मैंने क्रिएटिव होने का सोचा, but
Where do fish live?
fish live in my stomach after I eat them, I guess.
What is water made up of?
Water is made up of glass, I guess, because you can see yourself in it, right?
Oh, not bad. What is the opposite of hot?
Hot is warm.
Okay. What is 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 is always 5. Come on, we have been listening to that since time immemorial.
Who sings Shape of You?
I guess all my colleagues and relatives keep telling me that I'm getting fat, maybe. They just say, look at the shape of you.
Very good, very good. What's the main ingredient in spaghetti?
I guess we add milk.
Ooh. What's the
Or
best?
maybe earthworms.
What's the best outfit to wear to a job interview?
You can go in boxers as long as you are giving it online.
Oh. What's the secret to career success?
This might be true as well, I guess, but you just have to be present in every meeting and do FYI on every email.
What's the most famous landmark in the world?
I guess Office of Make My Trip.
Oh, good. And the last question, what do you see in a mirror?
Do I see in a mirror? I'm trying to be creative here. I'm not able to be. I guess you see beautiful sceneries, mountains, rivers, everything.
All right, I'll give it to you. Deepak, this has been a lovely conversation. बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में आपसे पता किया है. And being in the holiday supply department, traveling places, you are drawing up packages for people who can make their dreams come true. So you happy doing this job, Deepak?
Yes, I mean, I'm getting paid for traveling. What else do I want, right?
Absolutely true. Thank you once again for your time, as well as hoping that you've enjoyed this chat too.
Yes, it was a fun session. Thank you, Annie. Thank you for having me on your show. It was lovely.
All the very best for the future career goals that you have at MMT, generally in life, even personally. Wishing you all the growth that you have been dreaming of. Keep it up.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you so much, and wish you the same.
Thank you. Deepak Singh from the Holiday Supply Department based out of Gurgaon on Trips Don't Lie today. With that, I've come to the end of the show. This is your host Annie on Go MMT Radio. Signing off. I will be back on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, stay cheerful.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMG Radio. Head set go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.